Hi, this is Fidelia from Any House Cleaning. Carlos and Hilda. Check our website, anyhousecleaning.com. Today, besides the service of the cleaning services, we are doing the project of organizing all the toys. Carlos is really good in Lego and guns. He loves that. So today, Carlos is with us, helping us to organize this kid's room. Our client has a lot of guns and he loves to play, but he has so many things and he doesn't know where the balls or the NErf supplies are. So I know as a fact that he's gonna come, the little child, he's gonna come ready to rumble, ready to play, and I don't know. So he already put all the munitions inside the gun. He's putting right now all the balls, and this client loves all these guns and all the NErf. So we also are refill the guns on NErf supplies. I don't know how to call it. Also, we organize the drawers. Everything about Lego is here. Slime or pudding. And the school supplies are here. Glasses, games, electric controls, baseball ball, Rubens here. This is something about NErf too. Everything about cards. This NErf is NErf Nitro hot cards. Hot cards, right?
Yes.
So he's refilling everything, and in this drawer are some other guns. Now, cierra esto. Saca todo lo que está aquí, por favor. He's gonna remove this empty toy container. This is to look for metal in the beach. And he's gonna take out everything, please. And he's gonna put in this box all the big toys or brand new toys. So we will have more space and it's gonna be more organized. Good. Pon esto, papi. Everything that is boxes. Mira este. Acá hay más boxes. New boxes over there. No, ese es un libro, eso no. Keep our telephone number 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage, Any House Cleaning. You can put it on top of here. anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching us. And in the meantime, Hilda is fixing the bathrooms and I'm helping Carlos to organize this room. ¿Qué más? Mira esa caja. This box. Put inside. Everything that is box, please. Lego. Okay, good.